Topic 9: Civil disorder, states of emergency, and armed conflict. Civil disorder, human rights standards. All measures of the restoration of order shall respect human rights. Restoration of order shall be achieved without discrimination. Any limitations on rights shall be only those determined by law. Any actions taken and any limitations on rights shall be solely for the purpose of securing respect for the rights and freedom of others and for meeting the just requirements of morality, public order, and the general welfare. Any actions taken and any limitations on rights shall be only those consistent with the requirements of a democratic society. No exceptions are permitted with regard to the right to life, the right to freedom from torture, the prohibition of slavery, the prohibition of imprisonment for failure to fulfill contractual obligations, the prohibition on ex post facto laws, the recognition of everyone as a person before the law, or the right to freedom of thought, conscience, and religion. Non-violent means shall be attempted before the use of force. Force shall be used only when strictly necessary. Force shall be used only for lawful law enforcement purposes. Force applied shall be proportional to the lawful law enforcement objectives. Every effort shall be made to limit damage and injury. A range of means for the differentiated use of force shall be available. No unnecessary limitations on the rights to free speech, assembly, association, or movement shall be imposed. No limitations shall be imposed on freedom of opinion. The independent functioning of the judiciary shall be maintained. All wounded and traumatized persons shall be immediately cared for.